Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson, and we have another profile that we wanted to bring to your attention immediately. We profiled this one back in late November at just 36 cents. It went on a massive run through December and January and just recently hit $1.22. This was an incredible 200% plus run over several weeks. It is still holding a significant portion of those gains from our initial profile right now and is hovering around 80 cents, well above our original emails at 36 cents just 10 or so weeks ago. Pull up SVRE immediately. According to Finviz, there are only 5.56 million shares outstanding. Current market cap is just $12 million. As of June 30th, the company had about $5 million in cash. The chart looks primed for a major move. Founded in 2014 with a mission to make roads safer for drivers, passengers, and pedestrians alike, SaverOne develops cellular network-based technological solutions for reducing road accidents. The company's innovative system for identifying and limiting the use of certain apps on mobile devices while operating a vehicle has already been widely adopted by dozens of companies in Israel. SaverOne is also developing an additional system that can detect and warn the driver of VRUs. These are vulnerable road users and pedestrians crossing when the driver's field of vision is extremely limited. This system is currently in advanced stages of development. Located in Israel, the company currently employs over 40 employees in its research and development, sales, business operations, and support departments. SaverOne has secured roughly 4,300 systems ordered, with about 3,000 already installed. SaverOne also launched a second generation of the distracted driver protection solution in Q4 of last year, expanding its marketing reach and allowing it to better serve the larger global auto market. In 2023, SaverOne reached a milestone with its first international sale, laying the groundwork to further capitalize on untapped global sales opportunities. According to the U.S. National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, the annual cost of road accidents just in the U.S. stands at about $870 billion each year, excluding the cost of serious injury or death, with a quarter of those accidents estimated to be related to the use of mobile phones while driving. SaverOne's technology specifically recognizes the driver area in the vehicle and prevents the driver from accessing distracting applications such as messaging while allowing others navigation, calls, etc. without the need for user intervention or consent, creating a safer driving environment. SaverOne's primary target markets include commercial and private vehicle fleets that are interested in reducing potential damages and significant cost, vehicle manufacturers that are interested in integrating safety solutions to their vehicles, and insurance and leasing companies. SaverOne initially addresses car fleets with a focus on Israel, Europe, and U.S. markets, as well as other markets around the world. SaverOne believes that ultimately increased focus on monitoring and prevention of cellular distraction systems in vehicles, in particular driven by upcoming expected EU regulation, will likely have a dramatic positive impact on the demand for its systems in the future. To read our full report on SVRE, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on Insider Financial. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up, just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial, and unsubscribe. In terms of other stocks making moves, BMR and MGIH. Just wow. BMR has just a $4.47 million float. Beamer Imaging today announced It will present joint research relating to automated video monetization with NVIDIA. That is the key word. NVIDIA is the hottest stock on the market right now at the ACM Mile High Video 2024 conference. Beamer is scheduled to launch on February 20th this month. Its new video cloud service on Amazon's AWS and powered by NVIDIA. The stock at one point during the day hit $34.94 after opening at $6.07. MGIH, no news. This is a China pump. Just a 1.25 million share float. Hit $9.57 at one point before backing off. BMR has news in play. MGIH doesn't. BMR can keep running. MGIH was just a day trade in my opinion. JetBlue shares are running after hours after activist Carl and Icahn disclosed a 9.91% stake in the U.S. low-cost airline via an SEC filing. The stock is closed at 607, was trading up 17% after the bell to 718. Icahn now owns about 33.6 million shares of JetBlue, which are valued at $204 million based on the last closing price of $6.07 per share. Icahn disclosed in the filing that he bought JetBlue shares in the belief that they were undervalued and represented an attractive investment opportunity. Icahn also disclosed that he intends to continue to have discussions with members of JetBlue's management and board of directors regarding the possibility of board representation. ZoomInfo closed at $16, beat earnings by 1 cent, reported non-GAAP EPS of 26 cents, revenue of $316.4 million was up 4.9% year over year, beat by $5.86 million. Based on information available as of February 12th, ZoomInfo is providing guidance for the first quarter and full year 2024 as followed. Revenue of $307 million for the Q1 up to $310 million versus consensus of $308 million. Fiscal year revenue of $1.26 billion to $1.28 billion versus consensus of $1.27 billion. So again, an earnings beat. Stock was as low as $12.36, $30 back last summer. The bottom might be in stock trading $19 in the after hours. Drug developers targeting liver diseases were among the notable gainers on Monday after Gilead agreed to buy CBAY Therapeutics, a leading biopharma in the industry, for $4.3 billion. Per the terms, Gilead, widely known for its robust HIV drug business, will acquire CBAY in a deal expected to close in Q3. Currently, CBAY announced that the FDA granted priority review for its lead asset for a rare liver disease called primary biliary cholangitis, setting an action date of August 14th. And the other companies that have similar drugs in the pipeline, biotech such as Madrigal Pharmaceuticals was up 13%. AKRO Therapeutics, AKRO, was also up 10%. IVA was up 7%. ETNB up 11%. GNFT was up 6%. And what these companies do is they have drugs in the pipeline targeting at the liver disease, non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, which is NASH, and these are all posting double-digit gains today. TNXP, another stock to have on your radar, stock was up over 12% as the company said the FDA has greenlighted a phase 2 study of its drug TNX-102SL for the treatment of acute stress reaction, or ASR, and the prevention of post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. The clinical trial will evaluate the product known as Tonix in approximately 180 trauma survivors of motor vehicle collisions. The study is being supported by a $3 million grant from the U.S. Department of Defense. Tonix intends to submit an FDA market application for Tonix for the management of fibromyalgia during the second half of 2024. And this one has just been absolutely beaten up. Rounding bottom here, 26 cents, closed at 37 cents. Keep this one on your radar screen. SPWR, SunPower Corporation. I talked about this one last week. Continues climbing. Stock was up over 16% today and surged nearly 30% since Enphase ENPH said last week that expected inventory levels will normalize and demand for solar products will begin to rebound by the end of Q2. SunPower shares fell to as low as $274 a month ago after saying that it adopted a restructuring plan to cut operating costs, citing slower sales driven in part by interest rates. A month earlier, the company flagged the risk of defaulting on some of its debt and said there was substantial doubt about its ability to continue as a growing concern. Lastly, SGMO stock was up 40% today after the Biotech announced regulatory updates for its gene therapy ST920 in the treatment of Fabry disease and said it was actively seeking a collaboration partner for the product. The biotech company said the FDA has advised that a study of up to 25 patients in combination with confirmatory evidence may be sufficient to support approval of ST-920, also known as Isologene Civaparvovec. The company said that also European Medicines Agency has granted priority medicines eligibility to the product, which includes enhanced regulatory support and scientific guidance. ST-920 has already been granted orphan drug status by the FDA and EMA. The FDA has also given its Fast Track and Regenerative Medicine Advanced Therapy RMAT RMAT designations. And tomorrow I will also be scanning pre-market, looking for other runners like BMR and MGIH. If I see anything else, we'll let subscribers know. But the main focus for Tuesday is SVRE. Make sure you read our full report and do your research. At Insider Financial, what we do here is put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I've repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on Insider Financial. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to Sure Thing Media for sponsoring this video on SVRE. Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.